everyone, welcome to 2 Car Pros. My name is Ryan and today I'm going to show you how to change the air filters for a 2012 Porsche Cayenne. This is for the 4.8 liter V8 non-turbos, so you need that engine for this video to be applicable to you. The cool thing about this car is it has 2 air filters. The cool thing is they're exactly the same side to side, so you just need to know the process for one and you'll automatically know the process for the other because there are 2. I'll put a link down below in the description to air filters that will work for you. With all that out of the way, let's jump into it. Alrighty, so we're going to do the driver's side air filter first, and what you're going to need is a body clip puller, and I have a link down below in the description to one. And there's usually a body clip right there, but ours is missing, so it looks just like this one. You just slide the puller behind the fitting, and you pull it straight out. It's really simple. Set that aside. There's another one over here, but it looks like it's it's one of those types that have in the middle. So on this one, it looks like you lift the middle bit out first, and then you can remove the body of it. And then we can remove this cover. Just like that, exposing one of our air boxes. So now we can take a 7mm socket and loosen this clamp on the intake boot. And we can just slide that down, or either way, whichever way you want it. And we can just remove that boot off of there, and this will free the intake. So on these air boxes, you should just lift up on these clips and then move the air box out of the way. So with those clamps and boot removed, our intake box should just slide freely out like that, and we can get to our air filter. So now we can grab our new air filter and install it. Link down below in the description. You just want to install it like this. Make sure it is fully seated in its home. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And then you'll notice on the bottom of the air box there are these tangs, and these tangs actually go into slots down at the bottom of the air box, and those have to go into their homes on that. And if you don't get it quite right, it's okay. Just take it out and try it again. So once you're sure all the tangs are in their home, push down on the housing, push back on the housing, and then push these clips back into their homes. So then we can tighten this clamp on our intake boot. Hold snug. That feels pretty good. Oh yeah. Then we can put our plastic cover back on. Kind of slips under the front here. And then sort of wedge your way in. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And we have that one interesting clip at the back there. There we go. Then we had that other one that went right here. Like that. How about this guy? Ooh, I like that. And then I have some more of these push clips, some body clips. I'll leave a link down below in the description in case you break them. They're super fragile. They break all the time. Don't sweat it if they break. Just buy a new set. And then they're just a push to install, and everything will look mint. Now, the awesome news about this car is the other side, the passenger side, is exactly the same. It just looks a teensy bit different, but it is the same exact process. So just do it for the other side. So that's how to replace your air filters for a 2012 Porsche Cayenne. This is really easy stuff. You should definitely be doing this at home, in your garage, in your driveway, or whatever. I'm sure if you took this to the dealer, they'd charge you $200 to put air filters in, and it's just not worth $200. The air filters, I think, are $15 a piece, so it's really not expensive to do this on your own, and this is totally something literally anybody could do, so don't let your skill level get in the way. There is no skill level. It's very, very easy. Thank you so very much for watching. If you found this video helpful at all, please consider giving a like or subscribing. It really helps the channel out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.